Skankety skank skank.
Kimmy figured it wasn't worth another assault charge, and this was payback enough for Crow.
Oh my God, what is that sound? Ah! Oh my God, my party! Would somebody get the Clowns Casino? It's getting all wet. The shrimp cocktail, please! Oh my God, my God. I don't want to get married anymore. I don't want this stupid party anywhere. Somebody turn that off!
I'm not the party type, but if it's the only way that I can get a chance to learn your name.
Everyone was happy. Brenda was happy. Kimmy was happy. Even the Toon Bandit was happy.
Me, that's when I will say, well, hello, my name is, what's yours?
Everyone except
Are you having...
Happy birthday, bitch. Your skank friend ruined my party.
Kimmy? She's not a skank.
That's a great dress. You have good taste, Brenda. Too bad you're ruining it on this suck-ass party. This party sucks. If I can't have a party, nobody can have a party. Shitty-ass puppet. Fat, ugly, stupid dyke. I'm Stephanie Trout!
the party pretty much fizzled out after that. But the girls stayed up for hours doing what they love doing best.
Did you really ruin Stephanie Croak's bachelorette? And I was like,
Kimmy told outrageous lies to Brenda.
You did it. And I was like, yeah, I did, and I'll do it again. And I peed a little in the Clams Casino. So I grabbed her by
And
her
Brenda listened to
side
every bit of it.
ponytail, and I dug my nails into her skull, and I dragged her by her heels up to the water.
And that's the way it goes in OWOTO.
Sorry, I can't see anything through these glasses except for your tits.
That's so inappropriate.
Ready?